Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Parliament Live updates opposition to hold fast strategy meeting on Pegasus Road today. Parliament monsoon session news live update. The monsoon session of Parliament got stuffed to a stormy start on Monday as the opposition protesting over a host of issues including the contentious farm laws and fuel price hike prevented PM Modi from introducing newly inducted union minister. The disruption of opposition by members drew sharp criticism from the PM Modi. The Pegasus scandal is expected to dominate proceedings with the opposition leaders scheduled to meet for a strategy meeting at the parliament house to discuss the issue. For the latest from the monsoon session of parliament, stay tuned to Indian TV. The monsoon session began on the stormy note on Monday amidst uproar in PS from opposition parties who did not allow PM Narendra Modi to introduce newly inducted union minister to the parliament. The issue of snooping using Pegasus spyware meanwhile snowballed into a massive political row. Various parties demanded a thorough investigation while the government maintained it had nothing to do with it. PM Modi is likely to give a presentation on the COVID-19 situation in the country on July 20 to the floor leaders of all parties from both houses. Timings for the presentations were to be fixed after discussion with the leaders of all parties, sources in India Today said. AAP Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh has given 0-hour notice in Rajya Sabha over the Pegasus issue. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi looked a swipe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the matter, saying, "We know what he been reading, everything on your phone." Gandhi wrote this is as a reply to his own tweet 2 days ago in which he had asked people, "I am wondering what you guys are reading these days." The central government rejected the charges with IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, saying in the Lok Sabha that illegal surveillance was not possible with the checks and balances in the country's laws and alleged that attempts were being made to malign Indian democracy. Home Minister Amit Shah also lashed out at the opposition Congress and international organization, saying such obstructors and disruptors will not be able to disrupt Indian development trajectory with the conspiracies. US eases travel advisor for India, urges citizens to exercise caution. Prompted by the declining active COVID-19 cash load in India, the US has improved the travel advisory for its citizens traveling to the country. Now, the travel recommendation has been eased to level 3, which urges citizens to reconsider travel from level 4, which means no travel. The US State Department may said the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention CDC has issued a level 3 travel health notice for India due to COVID-19, indicating high level of COVID-19 in the country. Your risk of contracting COVID-19 and developing severe symptoms may be lower if you are fully vaccinated with an FDA authorized vaccine. Before planning any international travel, please review the CDC's specific recommendation for vaccinated and unvaccinated travelers, it said. Reconsider traveler to the Pakistan due to terrorism and sectorial violence, exercise increased caution in the Pakistan due to COVID-19. Some areas have increased risks with the entire travel advisory, the said State Department. Travel advisory, the State Department said. Mumbai police arrest Shilpa Shetty husband Raj Kundra in connection with porn videos traffic. The crime branch of Mumbai police have arrested actress Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra in connection with a case registered against him. for creation of pornographic films and publishing them through some apps. The case was registered under the relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code, Information Technology Act, and the Indecent Representation of Women Act at the Malwani police station on February 4, 2021. Businessman Raj Kundra has been arrested as he appears to be the key conspirator in the case, according to the Mumbai police. Mumbai police said we have sufficient evidence regarding this. Investigation is in progress. The property sales officials of crime branch have arrested a total of 5 people, 3 men and 2 women. 2 of the arrested men worked as actors while another man worked as a lightman. The 2 arrested women worked as a photographer and videographer and graphic designer. Reportedly, there are several such production companies in the city who prey on young women who come to Mumbai hoping to make it a big in TV industry or Bollywood. The companies ask these women to compromise and make porn videos featuring them, and in turn, they are promised a break in a big budget Bollywood movie. As per reports, property sale officials of Mumbai's police received a tip off about shooting of porn videos at a rented bungalow in the Magd village of Malad, West Bengal. API Lakshmikant Salunkhe raided the place while the shooting of porn videos are going on. Subscribers have to download the app and pay to view the videos on their devices. The company owns few more such mobile applications. Malnutrition in MP, the hidden pandemic. Madhya Pradesh, which has long had the dubious distinction of being Bimaro state, a reference to its weak economy and poor development indicators, is such making a push to salvage its reputation. Improving nutritional outcomes has been identified as a priority, and to that aim, the state recently announced a new nutrition policy.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.